Afternoon, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. Hope everybody's doing good today and hope the storm didn't bother nobody much. Everything's fine here at home. Had one hive out on the farm that was flipped over, but I had it strapped pretty good, and the only thing it did was move the top just a little bit, and I just leaned it back up. Went in it, had a yellow queen in there still. This girl's here. We're going to set them over here. Y'all see all them bees down there? Yep. I think my bees here, the only thing they missed was getting food. Take the feeder off. A lot of bees in there. Yeah. Let's see what we're going to do here. This one got some honey. Got some room on that side. No big bugs. This here's a little bit of wax moth damage that they're repairing. Lean that right there. Come on. There we go. Here's the yellow queen. We have eggs and larvae on that one, and I'm going to stick her right back in there, people. Don't want to mess with the mama. No more we want to mess with the carton. There's little girls here eating their pollen. Mama queen still walking around on this side of that frame trying to figure out what's going on. This one here has some brood, some nectar, some pollen, some larvae, some eggs. Same thing on that side. Same thing both sides. Got honey and brood and nectar and pollen and honey and grass. And y'all, when I do my feeders, I use pine straw. Main reason I use pine straw is that's what I got a lot of around here. Some people use this hay or wheat and grass and or whatever, and it's all good as long as you put something in there so the babies don't drown. This one here's got brood, larvae. There may be eggs in there, but the sun is in the wrong place. But that's that. This little place right here. Right here is some wax damage, wax moth damage. They fixing. This one here has a little bit of brood, some nectar, some pollen. This is the same thing. She just scattering all around, getting all the frames. A little bit of brood. Bottom look clean. Put that back. All their stuff back together. They have a little bit of pollen. Give them a little bit of less room on the middle. There we go. Yeah, but I use pine stalk because, like I say, we got a bunch of that around here. And one thing about grass, if you use green grass, now I've heard this in the past, okay? They say that if you put green grass in there, that it could kill the bees. Or make them sick, because it's got the green in it and it could fungus or something and hurt the bees. I don't really know. I don't worry about it. I do try not to put in the green grass in there though. See the little girl swimming around? See her get out? No beetles, no bugs. Okay, guys, come on. Go back home. Okay. And that's about it, people, for these. And that's that. This is hive number 114. And they went through the storm pretty good. They're still laying eggs, still have larvae and brood in it. Here's that little hole. And that's all they got. So y'all just give us a thumbs up, comment, share it, tell your friends, subscribe. Have a wonderful day. We'll talk with you later.